There are over 6 billion people on this planet. And oftentimes, the busyness of life causes us to forget the very essence and nature of our humanity. The truth is that our humanity is in need of an intersection with God's divinity. But because we are encumbered with careers and work, education and health, family and relationships, we overlook the idea that we desperately need to be rescued. Today, give yourself a moment to consider what your life would be like if you had the opportunity to be enhanced by the divine presence of God. Allow His divinity to affect your human nature. Memphis Metro, bringing your ministry at the speed of light.